Hello everyone, welcome to my Swahili channel. My name is Ina, and today I'm going to teach about direct imperatives with foreign verbs. Foreign verbs are also said as vitenzi vya Kiswahili, vitenzi vya kigeni in Swahili language. So we will start with singular form. Okay, direct imperatives can also be said as a broad form of imperatives, so they can suitably be used with one's subordinate. So they are also abrupt form of imperatives. Okay, we have direct imperatives in singular form and plural form. Like I said before, today I will start with direct imperatives in singular form by using foreign verbs. Swahili foreign verbs. The way you use these imperatives does not have any difference as they can be used in English. For instance, if we take the infinitive to wait, and we have to remove the infinite, we have to remove to, and the remaining wait will be our imperative. So wait will be our command. Likewise, in Swahili language, if we take the infinitive kusubiri, which means to wait, here the verb stem in the infinitive kusubiri is ku. As you know, ku, if we demolish this verb stem, we will be left with subiri. Therefore, subiri will be our Swahili direct imperative with foreign verb in singular form. Okay, so all this you have to know that this command is directed to the second person singular form, who is you, and in Swahili that person is wewe. Wewe. So we have more examples apart from this verb kusubiri. We can also use, we have also examples of verbs like kukubali, and the imperative will be kubali. Kubali means agree. And the next one is kujibu, imperative. Jibu means answer. Kufikiri, imperative fikiri, means think. Kuketi, imperative keti, means sit. More examples are kuhesabu, kuhesabu, and direct imperative will be hesabu, which means count. You're telling one person to do this action. Okay, next is kurudi. Imperative rudi means return. Next is kusalimu. Our imperative will be salimu, means greet. Next is samehe, kusamehe, and imperative is samehe, means forgive. And the last one for today on this direct imperative foreign verb singular form will be kusahau. Imperative is sahau, means forget. Okay, so we are done with singular form, and let's see how we can command more than one person. Okay, the same foreign verbs can also be used in plural form, where just as you saw in the previous slides, the rule has slight difference compared with that of the singular form. Here, we have to modify the verb by adding ni as our suffix to make plural form. We have to modify by adding ni as our suffix, and that command will be to more than one person. Okay, for instance, if we have the foreign verb to wait, and direct command was wait, for plural form, wait is kusubiri. And when we change to plural form, it will be subirini. Here, we have removed the verb stem, and also we have added ni as our suffix in order to have plural form. Remember, most importantly, that this command is directed to you all. You all is the second person in our personal pronoun, plural form, you. And in Swahili, we say ninyi or nyinyi. Okay, so we had kusubiri and it became subirini, a command to two people or more. More examples are like kukubali, kukubali, and the command will be kubalini. Kubalini, it means I'm telling many people or two to agree. Kujibu, kujibu, and the command will be jibuni. Jibuni means answer. I'm telling them to answer. Kufikiri, kufikiri, imperative will be fikirini. I'm telling them to think. Kuketi, kuketi, imperative is ketini. I'm telling them to sit. Kuamini, kuamini, I'm telling them to believe, and the imperative will be aminini. Aminini. Okay? Like I have emphasized here by marking in red, this is the command to you all, more than one person. Okay? And the next set, we have more example here. More examples here is kuhesabu. Kuhesabu, imperative will be hesabuni. Hesabuni means you should count. Kurudi, kurudi, imperative is rudini, means return. Kusalimu, kusalimu, imperative is salimuni, means greet. Kusamehe, kusamehe, imperative is sameheni. Sameheni means you should forgive. And the last one from our example here is kusahau, kusahau, and our imperative will be sahauni, sahauni. It means you should forget. You should forget. Thank you very much for listening and watching my lesson. I believe you have learned something which will be useful in your journey of learning Swahili language. Please don't forget to subscribe. In case I put more videos, it will be easy for you to be alerted and be able to learn this interesting language. See you next time. Goodbye. Kwaherini.